Okay, family, it took me a while to get in the Christmas spirit, but thanks to my sister decorating the tree and listening to some Christmas music and other decorations, I'm in the Christmas spirit. I'm not going to talk through this whole video. I'm just going to show you my favorite Christmas boo. Have you figured out who it is? What do you think, family? But wait. Now, let's skip to the man himself doing a little jig. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, Happy Holidays, and all the best to you and yours. Love you, boos.